But less than about 20 yards away from me is open water.
Board mission.
Dude's hooked up, baby.
Right, that's a keeper, I think so.
Pretty definitive bend. I think me and Brandon are going to remain inside.
Quite a bit of ice there.
Lots?
Lots of ice, but that's the bottom right there. Just put her right in the mud. There's got to be like 7 inches.
Hey folks, Tuna's here. Welcome back to Freaking Nature. So me and my buddy Brandon are fishing the lake. Hopefully for some lake trout, maybe some walleye. We're fishing a new spot. We've fished the other side there a couple times this year. Plenty of good ice, about 6 or 7 inches. However, on this side, right where I'm standing, is about the same, 6 or 7 good inches. But literally, I don't know if you can see that, but less than about 20 yards away from me is open water. So super sketchy. We're standing on plenty of good clear ice right now. Right about where the water's open is where we believe the drop off is, to about 100 feet, and that's where we want to fish for a nice steep wall. Because the rest of the lake was frozen, we thought that would be frozen up, but that's not the case. And Brandon's out here prospecting the edge of the open water to see how far we can go safely before we bring the rest of the gear. So
Still more than a hand of ice.
yeah,
Yeah.
good 5 inches.
Yeah. Keep going. There's lots of ice, so we'll just keep monitoring as we go. Up to my wrist, so 7 inches. There we go.
14.
It's not gonna happen yet, buddy.
Well, what do you want to do?
Could go inland more and just fish for walleyes.
I mean, there's still a chance at the lake you're in shallow
Oh
still.
yeah, for sure.
Okay, so that hole there was what?
About 5 inches.
But how deep?
Only like 7 feet of water.
Okay. So, sleigh is way out there. You can maybe see a black dot somewhere over here. We probably walked 100 meters.
Yeah,
Drilled
more than that.
a bunch of holes.
Yeah.
And there's some solid clear ice everywhere we go, but there's a lot of variancy, and where we want to go is probably another 50 to 100 meters that way, and
The ice is getting thinner as we go.
yeah, and like we said, the water was open just over here, so with the snow cover and the fact that it's like minus 12 with the wind and snow blizzard, we figured to play it safe. We're gonna go back to our old spot.
Abort mission.
Alright, so we're back at the truck. So no go at the spot we were just at. It's not safe. There's too many variances in ice depth. It's good clear ice, but we don't want to risk it because to get to where we want to fish, it's pretty much open. So
Yep. I'm not a very good swimmer, so.
next time you see us, we'll be set up at the next spot. So okay, welcome back. We've fixed up our setup. We're now at our original, well, the spot we've been fishing a couple times already this year. Our buddy Jamie has joined us and was kind enough to drill us some 10-inch holes. But like I said before, we're fishing out there is about 100 feet and there's permanent shacks all around us. So yeah, if anyone knows why ice thickness changes even on the same body of water, obviously there's potentially current, but if it has to have something to do with pH or mineral content, like I said before, or just like the type of bottom that it is, whether it holds more heat or not, let me know the answer to that question in the comments below. Brando's got us all set up in here nice and cozy.
Oh yeah.
Sitting at 19 feet. Ready for action, eh, Brando?
Got some sausages.
Oh,
We're ready
didn't
to
see
go. Snuck them in on you.
Get another one of those Canadian dries or what?
No, you can have this one though.
I'll show you, buddy.
So I have some other
What do you
goodies.
have? What else do you have?
Some Bud Lights.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Yes! Fish on.
How's it feel?
That feels okay. Oh, you know what?
You good?
You alright?
Tune's hooked up, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, right, that's a keeper in it.
Think so? Check that out, boys and girls. First one of the day. On a hair jig. Sweet, man. First one.
Oh yeah, but
What you got, buddy?
Perch. Tiny little guy hitting a jigging rod. Oh, not what we wanted, but we'll take it.
There you go. Nice fish.
Sweet. He's a little slow.
Yeah, buddy. Fish on.
Perch.
Feel good?
10 inches.
It's neater.
Right. Break up for me, Johnny. Yeah, it's probably 9 inches or so. Not a bad fish. Let him go. Yeah, I can hit something that size. Number 5 is a tiny little guy. But save that for bait.
Little snack.
So this is what I'm using. It's a TRS custom rip and wrap. Nice little purple and pink. Seems to be doing the trick.
I think me and Brandon are gonna remain inside. I took some footage there of outside, and it is nasty. It is.
That's like completely 180
Yeah.
turned.
So, yesterday snowed all day. It was crazy, as you saw, and then today it's just continued, and it's like whiteout conditions out there. Some of the footage I took, you should be able to see across the lake, and the rock face. You can't see anything, so it's safe to say that we'll be fishing inside the comfort of our hut. Look at dude, the shack is just bending right now. Like, this wall should be pushed out, but it's just like. Stay together. Hold on! Ah!
Like the side right here is just getting wind.
Yeah, well, it's all pushing us crazy. Wild wind.
This is stupid.
Yeah, wild weather today.
For some perch.
So the perch bite is still off and on. There's just a butt ton of perch down there. For the last, like, oh, what's that?
What's that?
What is that?
That's way up there. Get up to me. Get boy.
I don't even know where I am anymore.
I don't know.
Just disappeared. Oh, there I am.
Scared it away, whatever it was.
Suspended walleye.
Spent his anchor.
Brandon's the perch master today. That's his cup of tea, so he'll keep doing that, and I'll keep trying after the walleye.
So that's my cup of tea. That's not my cup of tea.
Okay.
I think I'd rather catch a burbot than a little perch.
Can't have you puking on video. I'm getting thumped too, but I think it's probably perch the way it's going.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be entertaining.
That feels good.
Wow.
That feels huge.
As I'm sleeping.
Oh, that's a gigantic perch, man. Oh, I just lost them. No.
I think it's crazy that they're not touching me at all.
Yeah.
It's just like we felt it.
So, I got another one. Do you want it?
I don't feel the time. No. I'm good. That's the fallen. Look at these two.
It's pretty crazy. Well, we'd have a good feed of perch if we got them all.
That's it. We should almost have switched species.
Yeah. Oh, another nice little guy, probably 6-7 inches.
Good job, Brando.
Thanks, dog. I don't even know how many that is now. Oh, that was a huge hook set, bro.
Look at them all! Holy smokes! Nice, man. Holy
This guy's got
smokes!
some weight to him.
Don't lose this one.
Man, he's feeling drag.
Yeah, sure. That's a.
Oh, he's going up nice. big perch. I didn't really see him.
Oh yeah, big time.
Oh yeah.
Brennan caught a jumbo.
That's a bit better of a perch right there. That's probably 12 inches or so. Big old gut on him. Look at the size of that gut. It's huge. Nice. That'd be a good eater.
Yeah.
Down he swims. No. Again on the old purple ripping wrap.
That's hilarious.
That's a big crayfish.
Yeah, big old crawdad. Look at that thing. That thing's monster. Hang on, I'm getting a good camera for that.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Look at that thing. That is wild. It's a lobster. Look at the size of that guy. It's huge. It's a friggin' lobster. There you go. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Let's throw him in.
Down to the bottom.
Yeah. Crazy, dude.
Oh, big one.
Big walleye? Keeper? Brendan's on a walleye, baby!
So, come on, Mike. Come on. Yeah, 17 and a half.
Like,
There we go. Hey,
fish on.
Dude's hooked up, baby. It's a huge perch.
Oh, wow.
That's ginormous.
12 and 3/4.
Nice. Camera. Sweet, dude.
Yeah, it's a fat perch.
There you go, dude. Man, he devoured that.
Yeah, that's another one for the old hair jig. Smash that too.
There you go.
Oh, thanks, dude.
Oh yeah, he devoured that.
Like, he hit hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just inhaled that. Oh, almost hit his eye. But barbless comes out, still have my minnow head. He's nice and healthy. What do you think that is? 14?
Yeah, 14, 15.
There you go.
Be a good panfish.
Yeah, nice eater, but we can't keep him. So, there you go. Come on, buddy. Sweet. So me and Brand were literally just talking about packing up. It's 5:45. We've been here since 7 this morning, but we said if we catch 3 walleye in the next 15, it will stay later. So that's one. That's hilarious, dude. Hey everyone. So nothing happened after that last fish. Me and Brandon are back at the truck. Yeah, it was a full day. We were on the ice for 12 hours total. We got here at 7. Brandon just said it's 1:45 now.
Yep.
So long day. Just to show you how windy it was today, the pegs actually bent. So I don't know if you can see that. That's a pretty definitive bend. There's another one. So
She was windy.
yeah. So the wind was no joke today. It was pretty crazy in there. Overall successful. 19 fish were caught, 3 walleye, and the rest were all perch. We caught some pretty big ones, probably 4 over 12 and a half inches. So pretty cool day.
It's a great day.
Anyways, we're gonna get out of here. We got about an hour or so drive back home. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like, as well as hitting the notification bell, all that good jazz. And stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. Take care.
See ya.
We out of here.